Hey guys, Chris here with a quick unboxing of my new Nikon Z30. So it comes with a USB-A to USB-C cable. So it's like instruction manuals and warranty stuff. Got a strap. Here's the actual camera body. Feels are nice in the hand. Alright, we set that aside for now. And then here's the kit lens that comes with it. That's got the 16-50 kit lens. This should be good for what I'm going to be using it for. Alright guys, that's everything that comes in the box. It doesn't come with an SD card. You will have to get an SD card. So I got this SanDisk. It should be fine for my purposes. I'll do a separate review on these. For now, I'm just showing what's in the box. I will have a full review later, or I'll talk about what I like about the camera after using it for a little bit and why I decided to choose the Nikon Z30 over, say, the Canon R50, Canon M50 Mark II, or the Sony ZV-U10. So that's it for now. I'm excited to test the new camera out, and I'll let you guys know what I think of it after I've used it for a bit.